Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're popping. Hello my beautiful popping queen, how are you doing? So today we're going to be doing another makeup artist does my makeup. I am excited. So guys, before we get started, I want to introduce you guys to the face behind SUMI Makeover. So she's going to be transforming me, okay? I'm going to be popping in a minute. I'm going to let her introduce herself so you guys can meet her, okay?
Yeah. Hello guys, my name is Aisha. I'm first behind SUMI Makeover and I'm here to glam Beauticianchic up.
Okay.
I hope you people can't wait to see the finishing. I'm so happy and I'm so excited.
Oh my god, I'm more than excited because you know what? You guys need to check SUMI Makeover on Instagram.
Yeah.
Check her out. Her makeup is popping. I am so happy this one. Like, oh my god, I'm going to be popping. I am happy because guess what? When I pop, I'm going to go around and I'll paint all the whole Nottingham red.
Definitely.
By the way, you guys, I know you guys are wondering, so where is SUMI Makeover? SUMI Makeover, she's in Mansfield, okay? Mansfield is around where again?
Nottinghamshire.
Nottinghamshire, yes. Yeah. So if you know Nottinghamshire, there's Mansfield. Where is it neighboring? Where else is neighboring to?
I think Ashfield.
Okay, Ashfield as well. Yeah. So if you're in Mansfield,
yeah.
Ashfield, in fact, you know what? If you're anywhere,
yeah.
anywhere in the world, if you want to book her, you can book her. She will come to you. Okay.
Definitely.
If you're in United Kingdom, book SUMI's Makeover. She will come to you anywhere. Okay.
Yes.
I know you guys cannot wait. We are gonna get popping. Okay.
Definitely. Yeah.
Show us some love, okay?
Yeah, definitely,
like
please.
like our video, comment, and check out SUMI's Makeover on Instagram. I'm gonna put her handle in the description box, okay? Let's get started.
Yeah.
I'm happy already. You guys,
You know, good prep brings out good makeup. That's what people don't know.
I know you don't joke with your prep. That prep is very important.
Very, very important.
In fact, you guys, the steps, just for this prep, you guys like, have we not started makeup? We're still prepping.
So that's all for toner. So we have to dry it down before.
You know what? SUMI doesn't use cheap makeup, you know. All these things are high end. This is Bobbi Brown, you all. No cheap makeup here. You know, so she uses toner, she uses hydration, she hydrates, she moisturizes it. You know, making sure this face is ready for our product. Wow.
Yes.
I've not tried that one side.
Very nice. Very nice. This is
Really?
for pride. As in your makeup look flawless.
Wow. Is it because I use the Benefit one?
Benefit one is just for, I think it's for dry skin.
Or pores?
Sorry, it's for oily skin. Skin is coming already.
You see? Wow. Wow. Guys, I'm not doing makeup again. I'm finished. I need to go. The skin is killing. I look like today's bread already. Wow. The way you take your time. You enjoy. Look, I can do it for days.
If I don't do makeup one day, it feels like I'm empty. Like,
wow.
I always tell my clients, please, if you have 40 minutes makeup, don't come to me.
Easy.
I don't use 40 makeup
because you take your time.
Yes, me, I take my time.
You're in a hurry.
Yeah, I always tell my clients, I take my time.
Ooh. You guys are not ready for me. I look innocent with my black hair.
So, we blend.
Wow. Okay, so it's not too dark.
Yeah, I don't want it to be too dark.
Okay, you to like mineral powder to contour because it's not pigmented like that. I use the MAC mineral.
I have that.
My big nose is snatched.
Yes, it is.
Snatched.
Under eye first, I use Mascara, but to bake, I use OPV because if you use OPV to bake first, it will look somehow.
Oh, because it's too harsh. It's gonna look whitish because it will soak it up quickly.
Thank you. But this one, if I'm done and dusted off, you won't say anything on that.
Yeah, because when you use it to set, it will collect the whitish thing.
Thank you.
To eat it up. But when you have already baked, the foundation is already dry. You get it. Because anything you put will not really be strong. You guys, show us some love. Show us some love. This is actually nice. Me sitting on this chair and getting glammed.
Nice and beautiful.
You know.
This is nice.
Okay, guys, that's why you need to buy Benefit Cosmetic brow pencil. Do you see my brows? It's popping. The link is gonna be down below. Benefit brow pencil. Wow, loving it.
You're looking beautiful.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The
Me, I have something like. Oh, sometimes.
Oh my God!
I just tell myself that.
Oh wow!
No, no.
Seriously? Ah,
You have it. You don't.
wow, this is nice. For my mind. Wow. Beauticianchic lashes, link is down below. Yeah. So we can use it to do or to finish the look. Oh. Ooh. Before they spray it well. I look like a doll. Dolled up. Wow, this makeup is makeuping. This makeup is babe.
Hey, don't forget to put
Wow.
mascara.
This is not already fine. You want to put mascara again?
Mascara under the eye.
Hey, Chichi. Need to go and find your husband.
Whoa,
Yes, so need to go and find your husband. I'm too fine. Ah, after 3, where? No, I've never born. Never born one like this. I'm still a virgin. If you get machine, I will stand on top of it. Yes, virgin. One time, one people want to break it, and I run. I ran away. Yes, they wanted to break it, and I ran. Millionaire, only the cash, shopping and spending the money. Mascara. You guys, like I said, my makeup is done by SUMI Makeover. Check her out on Instagram. Okay, show her some love. She's available for booking. You can book her. Okay, anywhere in UK, in Mansfield, anywhere, even in Nottingham, not just Mansfield, anywhere. She's just based in Mansfield, but you can book her Nottingham anywhere. Okay, her link is gonna be down below. Thank you for coming. I love my makeup. Thank you so much. I am popping. Bye, guys. Bye.